All right, good Wednesday morning. Thanks for checking out this Iowa forecast update here. Looking at snowfall amounts here over the last 12, 15 hours here overnight. Did see some areas here of 2 to 3 inches of snow across east to southeastern Iowa overnight last night. So I didn't think it was going to dump quite that much. But as we go through the day here today, we're going to have a little bit of fog out there this morning from basically west to central Iowa as we get through about 10 o'clock this morning. I think that will really dissipate out there. We'll have a northwest wind today, about 5 to 15, especially by this afternoon. And then our highs for today, generally going to be in the 40s in most areas. We're going to have some upper 30s here across the northern two county rows, and then the rest of the area, basically 40s, lower 50s off into southwest Iowa. Lows later on tonight, we'll get down there into the lower 20s across northern Iowa. Otherwise, upper 20s, lower 30s off to the south. And then we'll begin to track the wave of snow that's going to come in on Thursday, which I think will start working in on Thursday morning. Then by Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening here, I'm just going to be basically seeing some snow here. I think along I-80 and points south here, actually north of I-80 a little bit. And we'll kind of discuss that here in just a second. But as we get into Friday morning here, I think things are starting to clear out, especially by later Friday morning across eastern Iowa. So it's basically a Thursday morning through Friday morning event here. So total snowfall accumulation here, thinking generally along Highway 30 and points south is where you're going to probably see a trace to 2 inches of snow, mainly, along I-80, a little bit points north and around the Des Moines area. And then points south here, that's where I think we can see a quick 2 to 6 inches of snow here, generally across the southern counties. And then, like I said, a trace to 2 across the central part of the state here. So trace to 2, 2 to 6. Now, what can happen as we go through the day is this can shift a little bit farther south, and I think this is definitely a possibility. So that's kind of why I mention it. I think the southern two county rows here, I think that could be, if this does shift south, the southern two county rows would be the only area that would see the main snow potential here. So we'll need to keep an eye on that throughout the day. As we look at our highs for Thursday, dealing with generally upper 30s, lower to mid 40s across the state, we get into Friday, 40s widespread across the state. Saturday, especially working 50s and some lower 60s in. And then by Sunday, similar deal there. Then as we get into next week here, we'll start working in some 60s, possibly even some lower 70s into the picture over the course of next week. So much of next week looking mild. Continue to check back. We'll keep you updated. Have a great day.